How to add a skin card to Apple Wallet? It's a very easy topic. So at first you have to download a Skin app on your iPhone. After downloading, open the app. So this is the home interface of Skin app. Click on card option. Here you can see add to Apple Wallet. Click here. Then you may need to give some informations like fingerprint, Face ID, identity card, etc. After successfully adding the Skin card to your Apple Wallet, you should receive a notification and the card should appear in your Apple Wallet. If you can't find an option within the Skin card to add the card to your Apple Wallet, I recommend you to contact on customer service. Thank you for watching the video.